black and white bird right outside my door, with dark gray wings, and it felt like you saying sleep tight and stay warm. I swear I've seen this bird before. I know it if I heard it. It's the one I can never name. It's a junco I can't get. I tell you about this little bird, and I know you'll know exactly what it was. I think you have seen them all before. You know every bird we see, you know what to look for. When I ask which one flies by, you tell me and you're sure. But when I ask you about the birds, talk of shapes and wings, no, it's not just about what they are, it's about just saying things. It's about having things to say to you. It's about you. I'm knitting you a sweater, and every time I touch the yarn, I picture us way down the road, our two paths now merged to one. You wear all the things I make, I get to wear your love. I don't care where we settle, baby, if you're there, that's enough. And no, it's not about the sweater, it's not just 'cause I have the yarn. I don't knit 'cause you asked me to, it's because of who you are. Sometimes you tell me you're not sure if we should be. I try not to freak out and lose track of all my fears that wanna run free. See the future, I see you. Picture us apart. It doesn't make sense, but I know you might not be there yet. So I could wait to play this song for you, and I'll keep working on the sweater. Tell me about those ducks in the